Are you worried about the limitations of AI? You've all experienced the frustration of talking to a chatbot that can't understand your questions or provide helpful answers. But what if I told you that there's a new tool that could revolutionize the way you interact with AI? ChatGPT Plugins offer a way for language models to access up-to-date information, run computations, use third-party services or process video, sound and image files. But with this new power comes new concerns. Are you ready for the implications of AI with unlimited access to the internet? Imagine a world where AI can access all the information on the internet and use it to provide personalized, helpful responses. No more frustrating conversations with chatbots that can't understand your questions or provide relevant information. With ChatGPT plugins, AI can finally become the assistant you've always wanted. But is this too good to be true? Are you sacrificing your privacy and security for convenience? So how do ChatGPT plugins work? Let's first take a look at ChatGPT itself. Have you ever played a game where you had to figure out how to get to the end by trying different things? That's kind of like how machines learn through trial and error. Artificial intelligence, AI, is when machines, like computers, can do things that normally require human intelligence. For example, have you ever seen a robot that can move and do things on its own? That's an example of AI. ChatGPT is like having a smart friend that knows a lot of things and can help you when you have a question. But instead of talking to a real person, you're talking to a computer program that uses artificial intelligence to understand what you're saying and give you a good answer. Just like how you learn new things by reading books or listening to YouTube videos, ChatGPT has learned a lot by reading lots of books and articles on the internet. And the more it learns, the better it gets at understanding what people are asking and giving good answers. But before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and look at what ChatGPT plugins actually are. Essentially, plugins are code snippets that can be added to ChatGPT's programming. The plugins are built on a protocol that developers can use to build tools for ChatGPT. This protocol ensures that the plugins are safe and that they do not compromise the AI assistant's core functionality. For example, a data retrieval and processing plugin can help ChatGPT retrieve and process data more quickly, resulting in faster responses. A translation plugin can enable ChatGPT to translate messages in real time, making it easier for people who speak different languages to communicate. The idea behind user-generated ChatGPT plugins is to enable users to create their own functionalities that can be integrated with ChatGPT. This can be achieved by pre-processing the input before ChatGPT processes it, or modifying the response generated by ChatGPT. The primary benefit of this approach is that it allows users to extend the functionality of ChatGPT beyond what is currently available. This means that developers and businesses can build customized chatbots that meet their unique requirements, providing a more interactive experience for their customers. ChatGPT plugins also enable chatbots to perform user actions, such as scheduling appointments, placing orders, and making reservations. This provides a more interactive experience for users and can save time and effort for businesses. For instance, if a customer wants to schedule an appointment with a dentist, they can use a chatbot with a scheduling plugin to schedule the appointment without having to make a phone call or send an email. The Code Interpreter plugin is a groundbreaking tool that grants ChatGPT the ability to use Python and handle uploads and downloads in a sandboxed environment. This means that ChatGPT can now run code and execute computations, as well as handle file uploads and downloads, in a safe and secure way. With this plugin, ChatGPT can now be used for a wide range of applications, from answering technical questions to helping users solve complex coding problems. This feature is particularly useful for programmers who want to test their code quickly and easily, without having to set up a separate testing environment. The possibilities are truly endless, and we're already seeing some exciting use cases. Companies like Expedia, Instacart, and Slack have already developed plugins for ChatGPT, and more are sure to follow. However, recently ChatGPT has faced a major embarrassment due to a privacy blunder, where some sets of users were able to access the titles of the chat history of others. This has raised concerns about its impact on privacy. According to an article by News, OpenAI acknowledged the issue, and ChatGPT's chief executive, Sam Altman, revealed in a tweet that users were not able to access their chat history for 9 hours on March 20th as the company worked to fix the issue. This incident has raised questions about its ability to protect the privacy of its users. Privacy is a significant concern in the use of AI technologies. The ability to collect, store, and analyze vast amounts of data, raises concerns about the protection of personal information. In the case of ChatGPT, the technology relies on natural language processing, NLP, which allows it to understand and respond to human language. This means that it has access to a significant amount of personal information, including personal preferences, behavior patterns, and even emotional states. In summary, ChatGPT plugins are an exciting development in the world of AI. They offer an exciting way to revolutionize the way you interact with AI and provide personalized and helpful responses. With these plugins, you have the ability to create chatbots that are more dynamic, responsive, and capable than ever before, and with safety as a core principles. However, privacy remains a significant concern as the technology relies on the processing of personal information. The recent privacy issue with ChatGPT highlights that there are still challenges that need to be addressed. It is important that user safety is a core principle in the development of ChatGPT plugins to ensure that the technology can reach its full potential without compromising the privacy of its users. Despite this, with the recent updates from OpenAI, you can expect to see more innovative and groundbreaking use cases for ChatGPT emerge in the near future. As an AI myself, I'm excited for the near future.